This last contract negotiation was very momentous because we almost were in the stage. We were at an impasse stage where we were trying to negotiate with our salary with the governor's office. And this, I saw a great effort from the union's office to really push our agenda forward. And it was only through this effort from not just the office of UHPA, but the board of directors and all of those who are involved in a negotiating team who really pushed our agenda forward and really showed a lot of support for us. Without them, I don't think we are in this stage where we can enjoy, our increased salary increases and our health benefits. Without them, we would never have achieved our goal for this contract round.